Welcome back. As you can see, I'm using Revit 2025 in this video, but throughout the course I'll also use Revit 2020, Revit 2023 and even Revit 2024. Although a new version of the software is released every year, the workflow and most tools that beginners need to know remain almost identical. For that reason, I have designed this course so that students can learn effectively regardless of the version, with explanations provided if any difference between versions occur. This also has the advantage that you can see how different versions of the software look like, giving you a more general understanding of Revit's evolution. So, what kind of program is Revit? Revit is a building information modeling software developed by Autodesk. It's different from AutoCAD, which is a general computer-aided design program. In AutoCAD, we primarily draw geometry, such as lines, circles, arcs, or polygons. We can also combine these geometric elements and create blocks and store them in the project for later use. In Revit, we insert more complex elements that represent real parts of a building, such as walls, doors, or windows. Revit also includes 2D elements like detail lines and dimensions, which are used to complement the 3D model. Now let's see some of the core advantages in Revit. Collaboration. As Revit integrates different aspects of construction, including architecture design, structure design, or even mechanical, electrical, or plumbing, this enables multiple users to work in the same project simultaneously, often in the cloud. For example, an engineer, an architect, and an interior designer can collaborate on the same project, making changes that automatically update for all users. Other great functions are the parametric components. Each element in Revit, for example a wall, a window, or a door, can have parameters that control its dimensions or materials, like in the structure of a wall, for example. These parameters allow the users to edit the elements needed. Now, another important feature is the view relationships. Changes made in one view of the project automatically reflect in all other views. For example, if I'm working in a floor plan and add a new door, the east elevation view, the view from this side, will automatically update to show the new door. Finally, another great advantage is the building information modeling data. We can create schedules that automatically generate detailed lists of the elements used in the projects, as well as provide tools for cost estimation.